Ever feel like handling PDFs is way more complicated than it needs to be? You try to make a quick edit, swap an image, or convert a file, and suddenly you're stuck waiting for a massive software installation, or worse, hitting a paywall. If you're tired of the clutter, there's a much cleaner way to work. Welcome to Zendocs, a complete web-based document platform built to bring professional precision straight to your browser. No downloads, no installations, just pure efficiency, professional precision for your documents. The philosophy behind Zendocs is simple. Your tools should adapt to your speed, not the other way around. Because it runs entirely online, you can access your dashboard from a desktop, tablet, or phone, and your work seamlessly carries over. Best of all, managing your workflow takes just 3 intuitive steps. First, you upload your document by simply dragging and dropping it onto the page. Second, you make your changes, whether that's editing text, filling a form, or signing. And third, you download or share your finished file in the exact format you need. It's that streamlined, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. Let's talk about what you can actually do once your file is uploaded. Zendocs features a full-featured browser editor that lets you modify PDFs with total control. If you spot a typo in an official document, you can click and fix it instantly. Need to swap out an old logo? You can replace images right on the canvas. You also get complete control over page layouts. You can reorder pages, rotate them, insert new sheets, or delete unwanted clutter in a click. And if you're collaborating with a team, you can add sticky notes, highlight key passages, and leave clear feedback to keep everyone aligned. But Zendocs goes far beyond standard editing. It acts as a powerful conversion hub. You can take any static or dynamic PDF and transform it perfectly into Word, Excel, or PowerPoint presentations without ruining your formatting. Going the other way around works just as easily, turning Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, or even Markdown files back into clean PDFs. If you deal with heavy workloads, you don't have to process files one by one. Zendocs features a robust batch mode that allows you to merge multiple images or convert dozens of documents simultaneously, saving you hours of repetitive clicking. And when you export your work, you aren't limited to standard web files. You can download high-resolution, print-ready graphics in formats like SVG and EPS alongside standard PNGs and JPGs. Of course, when you're handling financial forms, contracts, or sensitive personal data, security isn't negotiable. Zendocs treats your privacy as a priority. The platform is backed by secure HTTPS encryption to ensure your files stay safe during transit. Plus, you have access to advanced protection tools right in your browser, allowing you to password protect documents or apply customized watermarks before sharing them. You shouldn't have to wrestle with clunky, expensive software just to get through your workday. Whether you need to sign a quick form, split a massive report, or convert an entire folder of files, Zendocs gives you a premium toolkit right in your browser tab. Ready to experience a smoother workflow? You can test out every single feature today with a full 7-day trial for just 99 cents. Head over to zendocs.com, drop in your first file, and see how simple document management can really be.